Hello everyone, Zach here again with another quick tutorial. If you're watching this video, you might have a very slow PC or a laptop and you are experiencing all these sort of things that whenever you open your browser, you open a file or a folder, it takes some time, it takes a while to load. Most probably the common issue is that you might have a very low memory, the ROM. Also your processor is low, so you might have a low PC setup or laptop to begin with, or perhaps you are not taking care of your PC very well. Now here's some quick steps on how to clean your PC. These steps will help your PC or laptop to load faster, and I recommend to do this every day. So whenever you turn on your PC and you are on the home screen, make sure to clean your PC first before you do any activities. If you have a very slow PC, these are the common terms that you might say every day. Alright, so first thing that you need to do is to press on your keyboard the Windows plus R, the circle button, and then you will see a pop-up window that says run. That's the command prompt. Now in the pop-up window, you have to type these words here. Let's say temp. Now all the files that you see are just a total garbage. Now it will store in your computer, in your disk C, which is the common cause to slow down your PC and your laptop, along with the other files that are mentioned here. Now you just have to remove all that. On your keyboard, just press Ctrl A to select all files in this folder and hit the delete button on your keyboard. And then you have to make sure that this is checked and continue. Now these files are there because it is still running in the background. Now you can just select again the do this for all current items and then hit skip. And these three files that are left is still running in the background, but just leave it as it is. Now go back to Windows R again and type temp with a percentage sign, and then just do the same thing here. Just Ctrl A and delete all that, and make sure this is checked and hit continue. Now good thing that all those files was removed in this folder. Now exit the folder and go back again and type reset, and just do the same thing. Alright, and exit the folder. And one last thing, prefetch, and it will ask you the administration permission. Just continue, and then just do the same thing. Make sure this box is checked and hit skip and exit the folder. Now moving on to our next step, go to Windows or the start menu and type disk. Now you'll see disk cleanup, just select on that. Make sure that it has selected the drive C where all our files, temp and history are stored. Hit OK and make sure to check all the box that you see, because after performing all those steps in Windows R, you'll see check your recycle bin. All those files are stored and moved here in the recycle bin. Imagine how much all those files are stored in your computer. Now you'll see here, look at that total amount that's eating your disk space and running in the background. That would most probably cause your PC to slow down. Now you have to remove all that. Hit OK and delete files. Make sure to hit the continue to remove the files from the prefetch folder. Now go back to disk cleanup and hit OK again. Now we're done in this area. What we need to do is go to clean up system files. Make sure you just select the same drive C, and here you'll see the Windows that you just updated. All those updates are stored in the system files. Make sure to select all that. But of course, if you have some files that you have downloaded and still in the download folder, you might want to secure that file and move to a dedicated folder where it is saved and will not be removed from this process. It will perform a total cleanup to your disk. So if you have just upgraded to another Windows 10, your old Windows will be stored to your disk, your drive C, and will claim a big space on your disk. Now you have to make sure that if you have upgraded your Windows, it will store here, and it says the Windows old, and in your folder it is located in local disk C and will be stored, and you'll see it right off the bat here at the very bottom or below Windows. So this is the current Windows. I have already removed the old one. I have just upgraded to Windows 2004 from 1909. Let's exit this window and hit OK. Delete files. And now we are done. Now you can check back your task manager, and it should give you much lower number to your disk and of course your memory. So it shows a very good result. I like it. I like the process. And if you want a more effective process of cleaning up your system or your PC and your laptop, you might want to download a C cleaner, which will clean the whole history of your activities on your PC. I have put down a link in the description box below. You can check that, you can install that, it's safe, you might want to use it. Alright, that ends our video for today, and if I missed something in this tutorial, I will appreciate if you can drop your comments down below. Also, if you have some tech issues, I will be happy to read all your comments, and maybe I can create a video resolution in the future. So guys, I hope we'll meet again soon. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also please hit the thumbs up and ring the tiny bell so you will be updated for more videos. Thank you.